Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I want to go over Delta Airlines or airlines in general. So because we did swing puts, and off of that alert I made, I'll be making this video right over here explaining everything. So you only need this video to understand everything, what I'm seeing, my perspective, and all of that simple stuff. First of all, congratulations. Today we had a very nice Apple playout update on Friday, but I want to recap all of the trades I did last week. All of the charts setup we did on the trade log and all of that good stuff. And again, congratulations. That was over 300%, but I did sell mine around 114%. But I want to talk about Delta Airlines and why I am overall. So we look at Jets, which is kind of like the ETF for airlines, and we look at American Airlines, Delta Airlines. Now, all of these stocks have one thing in common: they all have gaps down below. Okay. So as you guys can see, all of them have a gap down below, and again, gap is a very nice strategy. Okay, again, why do gaps work? All of this trading stuff is a probability and psychology game. So once we see this gap, investors want to fill it as possible, as fast as possible, and gaps are movement pre-market and aftermarket. So we can look at Delta, we can look at, let's look at American Airlines. So they're also entering, but the thing about American Airlines is we rejected this resistance right over here. Okay, so we can drop back down right around this support, and then we have very nice gaps right over here. Okay, so we have multiple gaps down below right over here, and keep in mind that we have also news coming in with the COVID, because I think Europe shut down some flights from America, so that will be affecting right over here. And again, we had a huge drop due to that. Okay, we had over a 3 to 5%, and again, this was also part of a rotation. So bearish on all of those. And another thing I want to look at is the contract that I got this week expiration, since we've entered in the gap right over here, so we're going to be filling it very soon. As for the stop loss, I don't have the stop loss in mind, because I did say enter in a small position first, because if we sell off at open, I can scale in more, because we have that confirmation that we're going to be filling this gap and then filling the gap down below and then hitting this support. Okay, so let's go back right over here. Let's look at Delta. We have our price target right over here, and keep in mind of the support down below of the channel. And let's look at the contract we got. We're already up around 20% on our contract, 40 put at 58, and our price target for Delta is right around over here, 32.28. So if by tomorrow it hits our price target, that would be a very nice 81% gain. Okay, 81% gain. Just keep in mind, please use this site. This is a very, very nice site. Okay, so again, we have the gap, we have the support down below, and then we have the news. So hope you guys understand what I'm looking at. Again, do the plays off the charts, not just that I am playing these. So airlines, everything kind of looks very, very bearish. Gaps down below, and overall that is it. Very, very simple. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. I'll be making a ton more content. I have a special video at 2,000 for the top picks for September. And overall, make sure to follow me on Twitter. Great plays, over 300%, and it's been an insane ride. And again, I'll leave all of my losses, all of my trades on the trade log down below, link in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.